Whoa, that's a lot of Whatcha machines. Let's open them all.
We want to give a special thanks to Just Play for sending these items to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today we are in our roller skating rink, which looks pretty good with Hayden from Disney Doorables Adorbs. I mean, we've got the galaxy carpet and everything. Speaking of Disney Doorables, let's check out Disney Doorables Squish'Alots. Whatcha Gotcha Machine Series 2. This one is D010. There are 8 surprises inside, including miniature Whatcha Gotcha machines. On the back, we can see all 12 in this collection and the availability. And it looks like there are a few machines in a colorful ombre. Ooh, and there's Wally. Let's go ahead and open this one up to see which one is inside. We have 2 bags and a few stickers with a collector's guide showing the picture and names of all the different ones we can collect. Let's open the small bag, and inside we find ultra rare Lotso. Since this is a Disney Doorables Squish'Alot, it is squishy. The stickers go with the character, and in the larger bag, we find our Whatcha Gotcha machine. It's a little capsule machine. This one is pink and green. We can turn it, and it should bring down a capsule. Ah, it's a teeny tiny capsule. Inside, we find a sticker with a Toy Story theme. Then we can just keep turning it to get more capsules. I got another sticker, and then I found a teeny tiny one. It's a small Squish'Alot of Woody from Toy Story. We have 2 capsules left in there. I think that is Rex. It is! It's a teeny tiny Rex. And the last one is a tiny Jessie. We can remove the top, place the capsules back in, place the lid on top, peel off the stickers, add them to the machine, and place the Squish'Alot on top. I love that they actually work, and we can connect them to other machines. Good thing I have a few more. This is D012. Let's open it up and see which machine is inside. Ooh, this one's glittery. It's pink and purple, and we can see through the bottom. We can see how it works on the back side. The capsules are a different color, and in this one we have one of the fairies from Sleeping Beauty. Then we got a sticker, another fairy, and another fairy. And more stickers with the collector's guide that we can add to the machine, along with a Squish'Alot of Aurora, who fades from purple on one side to pink. Now that we have 2, we can just push them together to start a row of machines. We can also stack them like they do in stores, and I kinda love that idea. Let's make a Disney Doorables Squish'Alots Whatcha Gotcha machine store. I have some leftover printables from our roller rink that we might be able to use for this project. Let's take foam board, cut it to be 13 inches tall. I place the machines on the board, line them up at the bottom and make a mark. Move the machines over, make another mark, and continue until it's the length that you want. For me, that ended up being about 15 inches, which is perfect because I make a lot of my walls 15 inches long anyway. Trim off the excess to make our back wall. On the leftover piece, measure the width of the machines plus the width of a piece of foam board. For me, it's about 2 inches. So let's cut the leftover foam board at 2 inches to make the sides. I cut another board for the floor that is just the width of the Disney Doorables Squish'Alot machine, and I cut a 1-inch piece so we can raise it up a little at the bottom. Now we can cover them with printables or scrapbook paper. I only have a little bit of this purple wall left over, and I'm currently out of ink. So I cut 3.5 inches off the top, then glue it to the back wall. I used wrapping paper on my side walls The iridescent look kind of reminds me of the packaging. I also added the wrapping paper to the 1-inch strip at the bottom. Now we can glue it together. I start by gluing the sides. Add the 1-inch piece. To help with spacing, we can cut a few smaller pieces of foam board, glue them at the bottom going straight up at different points on the board. Add the 1-inch strip in the front, then glue on the piece for the floor. Glue on the other side wall to make a simple display for our Whatcha machines. We might need a few more. This is box D013, which is purple and pink with a little glitter. And the Squish'Alot is Ursula, giving us 2 theme stickers, her pet eels, and King Trident. Let's add the stickers and place our new machine inside the display. If we stack the 3 machines, it does reach the paper. You know, the printable. So if we can get enough, we can cover all of the white space. But to give the look of a store, we're gonna need a few more walls. I'm making another wall that's 9.5 inches wide, and I used the leftover brick at the top. Let's put some pink tile on the outside before gluing it in place. And right now, I'm going to leave the other side wall off. If we need it, I can always add it later. And now we have another wall to add on the side. We can make a similar wall and place it on the other side to make a little room with walls that we can move around and are easy to store. I'm using a poster board for the floor. I placed it on the side of our roller rink so it looks like there's a whole nother part. That is currently empty and needs more Whatcha machines on the shelves. So let's open D014, which is Mike Wazowski. And here is our machine. It is blue, yellow, and gray. Let's add the stickers and see the minis. The capsules are green, and this one has a sticker. We got another sticker and 3 mini Squish'Alots that make perfect squishies for dolls. This is D15. I'm hoping we get Wally next. I really want to see that one. Is this Wally? No. It's Oogie Boogie, which is special edition. The machine is yellow and green with green capsules, with a few squishy Nightmare Before Christmas figures, and a few stickers. We've opened 5 so far. There are 12 in this series, and we've got a lot of walls to cover. Let's bring in a few of our first machines. They seem compatible, and honestly, I think this is a situation where doubles could totally work. This is another D014. With Mike, we can stack them and connect them to a few more, giving us a uniform look. I see it. It's happening. And we've got quite a few, like 3 Auroras, 4 Oogie Boogies, 4 Lotzos, and 4 Ursulas so far. We might have enough to fill this entire space because we got 50 Series 2 Disney Doorables Squish'Alots Whatcha machines. Whoa, that's a lot. Let's open them all. Oh, and I just got another Aurora. Opening D016, which is the Cheshire Cat, giving us a few Alice in Wonderland minis and a few stickers in this orange and pink machine. I have 3 that we can add to our store. Opening D017. I'm hoping it's Wally because we haven't seen Wally yet. And yeah, it's Wally holding the little boot with a plant in it. The machine is yellow, a gray, and a sparkly gray. We've got stickers and minis. According to the collector's guide, Wally is ultra rare. And so far, I've only found 1. Opening D018 to get... Which one is this? Oh, I think it's Sally. Yep, it's the rare Sally. So we're getting 2 Nightmare Before Christmas machines in this series. I like how the top sticker is decorated to match each character. On my machines from Series 1, it's just a solid color. And we got 4 machines. D019 is the machine for sadness on a blue and purple Whatcha machine. I think our stickers are cute. We get a few other Inside Out characters as minis, and we have 3 to add to our little capsule store. D020 gives us Buzz Lightyear with aliens in 3 shades of green. I love that this one came with a bunch of little aliens. They look perfect for Hayden, who I could totally see walking around Pizza Planet. We even get a pizza sticker. On the collector's guide, Buzz is common, and we found 5. If you are making your capsule store for Disney Doorables Adorbs, then stacking just 2 seems like a good height. However, for taller dolls like a 12-inch, I'm gonna go with 3 to get the height that I want. Looking at the collector's guide, all we need now is Alice and Stitch, who we just got. This one is C15. Stitch and the machine fade from green to blue. We have a tiny little green Lilo, which totally makes me happy. Kinda Stitch crazy at the moment, but I only found 1. Next, we have D021, which is Alice, completing our collection. We get a blue and white machine with yellow capsules that have stickers and minis, including the Cheshire Cat. Love it. Alice's availability is common, so we found 2. No, make that 8. 1 more and she would have been tied with Mike. And 1 more would have filled all the shelves. But if we add in the ones that I already owned, our store has 53 Whatcha machines, creating a fun and colorful background for little doll photography. I love that the machines are functional, that we can move them around to create our scenes, and they look like a good size for our 1/6 scale dolls. Thank you for joining us while we checked out Disney Doorables Squish'Alots Whatcha Machines Series 2. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Fanbase, Instagram, and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time.